Hi, this is the HOTWAV Pad 8 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you could change the notification, alarm and phone ringtones. We got here the volume panels of the media calls, ring notification and alarms. Just to change them we should slide to the left or to the right side this just volume panels with our finger by this way. So we could also activate here the vibration and haptics, and to change the settings with the help of all of the switcher. So we could activate and turn off the ring vibration, to use the vibration first, then ring gradually, notification vibration, alarm vibration, and touch feedback and media vibration. Let's go back. Here we could turn on and turn off the don't disturb mode to change live caption section, to activate them or to turn them off. In media section we could pin media player and show media recommendations, and we could also activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, and always to show icon in vibration mode. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our HOTWAV Pad 8. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.